Hello there, I'm Tommy. Now I'm starting to think I should get some tuition money from Gary, because this is beginning to look a lot like schooling. You see, Gary, we build our models on measured reality. We have physical objects and we measure them, and then we build models. This time it's quite obvious, but I'll let you guess. Which one of those boxes do you think that globe will fit into? Yeah, the one with the globe on it, of course. But other times it's not that obvious. It's quite obvious that the Earth is a sphere, of course, but sometimes we make our models to show the difference between the flat Earth and the sphere Earth. And then we used measured reality. In our last comments on my video, I told about these projects I'm going into, the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway. I'm about to get some coordinates from Jesse Kozlowski. He drove over that causeway with a car with GPS and another system. And those systems are not based on eyesight or anything, or interference or distractions or disturbance or distortions or whatever. Those measurements are from GPS. These measurements is from my measuring stick. Then we take those numbers into a program. My program of choice is SketchUp. And we take those measurements from wherever, physical objects measurements, we can start to build our models. The first box was 240 by 150 millimeters, and it was 300 millimeters high. That's the first box. The second box was 320 by 315. 320 by 315. And it was 375 millimeters high. Do you see, Gary? Small box, big box. This is the actual size of those boxes. Let's make the globe. The base was 220, that's 110 radius, and was 10 millimeters high. The globe was 300 millimeters in diameter. That's 150 radius. And to make a globe, I just highlight that and rotate it. And move it just under this one. And let's make some magic like this. There is a globe. And that globe was, let me see on my measurements, 355 millimeters high. That's 345 from here, because that's 10 millimeter. So the top of the globe should be at that point. So I'm going to take this globe, move from the top. Now this is a bit hard to steer because I'm shading for the point I'm going to stick it to, but there we go. This is the size of that globe. Just going to make it into one part. Now, Gary, for the million-dollar question, which box do you think this globe will fit in? In here? Doesn't look like that. It's a bit big. Or in here? Let's look a whole lot better. It fits. So you see, Gary, this is how we build our models to see what fits reality. This globe fits in this box and not in that. This is how we do models to check what model fits reality best. Is that really so hard to understand? I don't get it. This is easy. This is basic. You should know this. Until next time, Gary. Bye.